Who wouldn't like to actually visualize their home before building it? Creating a 3D virtual interior design can be a great way to do just that. You can experiment with furniture placement, lighting, textures, and other design elements without the time and cost of a full-scale renovation. You can visualize the design and make sure everything is as you want it. It's the ultimate tool interior designers and homeowners are resorting to these days. You can experiment as much as you want until you are satisfied with it. Making good choices before actually committing to the house is made so much easier. This is just brilliant. Everything falls into its place and you can form a clear picture of your home in a matter of seconds. If you're getting a new home or renovating, well, this is a must-try.